how to contact your Uber driver before and after your ride. What?
These are for people watching who don't know how to contact their Uber driver. We make these tutorial videos from time to time. If you want to contact your Uber driver before and after your ride is over, let's say you left something in your car, or you left your phone in your car. It happens. You left your wallet in the Uber driver's car. You need to contact them. Uber doesn't make it incredibly easy, but there is a way. Let's read this. You want to read that part?
Yeah, so although certainly not the only ride-hailing app, Uber is certainly the most popular and best known. Why is this written so poorly?
Keep reading.
Anyway, the very word Uber has become a stand-in term for any ride-hailed app through an app. One of Uber's features that quickly became one of its most used is the ability to contact your driver once you have one directly within the app.
One Direction? Like Harry Styles?
So basically, yeah, they're gonna walk you through the quick and painless procedure below.
Yeah, it's painless, guys. No pain here.
So this is what you want to do if you want to contact your Uber driver before the ride starts. Okay, let's say you picked out your ride, whatever.
Yeah, you go home to 1234 Main Street. You want to get an Uber Black or Uber X. Uber X is 3 times as cheap, so probably want to do that. Or if you got up to 6 people, do XL. But yeah, then just click basically at the bottom of the screen, if the box with your driver's name and the license number of his car is a contact button. Yeah, you want to make sure the license plate matches up. If it doesn't, don't get in. Be safe.
Yeah, your danger.
Yeah, and then click contact. Now, if you want to contact your Uber driver after your ride's over, this is what you got to do.
Okay, you want to go look at your previous rides. So tap the account button at the bottom of the screen.
This is actually really valuable information.
Yeah.
So you click the account button.
Yeah.
Right there, the bottom right should say that.
Yeah. What?
No, it should be gray. It should be gray.
Oh, yeah. Then you click on trips. This is where you can see all your past trips that you've ever taken.
And fun fact, you can see what your rating is too. This guy is a 4.57 rating. That's pretty low.
Really?
So this is what drivers rate you as a passenger.
My rating is pretty low.
Drivers rate passengers low because if you rate them under 3 stars, you don't get matched with them ever again. So they did that because they didn't like you. So then after that, click trips. Then your Uber rides will come up in chronological order with the most recent one on top. Click on the ride in question. So here's what it'll look like. This is your trips page.
Yeah, then you can choose, like, tap on whichever one. Then tap on find lost item.
And then they help you get in touch with the driver that way.
Yeah.
So you can basically call them or message them. You won't get their phone number, guys. Keep that in mind. It's through Uber, so it's like the passenger can't get your number this way if you're a driver and you're concerned about it. But if you're a passenger, it's not going to be their number. But this is important. Really good thing to do is, let's say it goes to voicemail, you don't answer it. Make sure you have a voicemail set up. So that way when it goes to voicemail, some of those automated ones, it goes, you've reached the number of, and it says your number.
Yeah.
If you have that, guess what, guys? Your passengers are going to get your phone number that way. And you don't
Oh,
want your passengers to have your personal phone number because some people are crazy stalkers. They'll keep calling you, and you got to get a new phone number.